third example you guys are working with is that you are going to roll a blue dice or a blue number cube and a white number cube at the same time. And we want to know what is the probability that you do not roll doubles. And so to help visualize all of this, we're going to set up a chart. And the first number that we're going to write in our chart is going to be the blue number cubes. So number cube has 1 through 6, so that's why we wrote 1 through 6 on this side. And then we have a white cube as well, and that also has 1 through 6 on it. Then, when we roll the blue number cube and the white number cube, one of the things that we can get is a 1 to 1. So the blue could have a 1 and the white can have a 1. The next one, the blue could still have a 1 and the white could have a 2. And so all of these, my blue is going to be the first number I write and the white is going to be the second number I write, because I'm going to roll a blue number cube and then a white number cube. So the next one is 1 and 3. Next one is 1 and 4. 1 and 5, so on and so forth. And you can see that this chart is already filled out. Let me go ahead and pick just a spot to kind of show you how to fill this out. If I were to roll in this spot, I'm going to look and see the blue cube, I'm in the 4, so I'm going to put 4. And the white cube, I'm also in the 4, so 4-4 would be what I write in that spot. For this one, the blue cube is a 5, the white cube is a 2, so 5-2. So go ahead and fill out the rest of this chart. Now for this part, I'm going to tell you about how to find the probability. We want to know what is the probability that you do not roll doubles. Doubles obviously is going to be 1-1, 2-2, 3-3, so on and so forth. And I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. First off, I'm going to show you maybe the way that is a little bit obvious, I should say. So the probability of not rolling doubles. So in other words, I'm going to point to all of or count how many pieces are not doubles. So I have 1, 2, that's not a double, so that's 1 element, 2 elements, 3 elements, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. I'm going to count all of the things that are not doubles. And so when I do that, I'm going to get 30. And then I'm going to divide that by the number that's in my entire set. So in this entire thing, I have 36 chances, or 36 different ways that I can roll. So and the way I found that is I counted every single one of these boxes. So from 1, 1 all the way through 6, 6. So 30 divided by 36. And if I just simplify that, I am going to get 5 divided by 6. So that is the probability of not rolling doubles. Now I'm going to show you guys a different way that you could have done it. I'm going to use a little bit different formula. This is a probability of the complement of A. In other words, what I'm going to do, instead of finding the probability that you do not roll doubles, I'm going to find the probability of when you do roll doubles. This might be a little bit easier in the fact that you don't have to count so many pieces, because for doubles, I only have 1, 1, so that's 1 element, 2, 2, so that's 2 elements, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 elements that are doubles. And so 6 would be my number divided by the entire set. So once again, I have 36 numbers in the entire set. If I were to simplify that, I would get 1 over 6. Now, that is the probability of getting doubles. So probability of getting doubles. I want to know the probability of not getting doubles. So the way to do that is I'm going to take this probability and subtract it from 1. That is how you will be able to get the probability of not getting doubles. So 1 minus 1 over 6 1 is the same thing as 6 over 6. So if I take 6 over 6 minus 1 over 6, I'm going to get 5 over 6. So obviously this is faster in the sense that you are getting to the answer immediately. But sometimes when there's when the sets are too big, this might actually end up being an easier way to do it. It's always going to be 1 minus the probability that you found. And that's how you're going to get your set.